What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Brown Coat Gang in the building. Cold out here today, man. We supposed to get some sunshine. I hope we do, man. It ain't looking good right now, but I hope I see it want to peek through them clouds, man. We supposed to get some sunshine. Road still wet. I want to drive the Cutlass so bad, man. Y'all know I got this Cutlass. Got this Cutlass back some days ago, but due to the weather, I still have not been able to drive the car, man. Cause the road's wet. I mean, I can drive it, but you know I can't feel the changes. But anyway, I got the I was thinking about the battery. Y'all know we had the little thing going on with the battery, so I pulled my multimeter out. I was like, man, you can get you one of these, a multimeter. I had one for a while now. Let me turn y'all back down. But you can take the voltage on the battery, and you can really take the alternator, make sure the alternator charging too. So that's what we're about to do. I'm gonna get this hooked up, and then I'm gonna show y'all the ones that don't know. I'm gonna show you how to work it. So stay tuned. Right. So checking back in. Cold out here today too, boy. God almighty. Like being outside when it did cold. You can come out here and make it happen. Now thinking about this thing, I said it might need a battery. It just might. You know, this car has been sitting a long time. It had been sitting. So let me see. The date it. They got this. Let me see. Checking, looking for the date, y'all. No date. Superstart. It's an O'Reilly battery. Got no date on it. But anyway, y'all know you hook your negative and your negative, then your positive and your positive. These little caps, they just come off. Plug in there. So I'll show y'all. We set this thing. We checking in, y'all. My battery about to go dead too. It is what it is though. We go to the phone if it go dead. Went to AutoZone, got the back and hold there for wifey car. Hooked the heat up. And got a battery. So we about to throw this in there. Alright y'all. Forgot this thing got everything in it. I gotta go get a 13, my bad. Yeah, it's 13. We're gonna go get that. Get the battery out. Gotta get that bar. Take this a little further. Get these cables out first. Then we'll go get the 13 and get that bar out. Yep. Judging by my multimeter test, I think the old battery done had it. Then I was thinking about it. I said, shoot, it might be good chance. It probably time for it. Time for a battery. Pretty good chance it's time for a battery. So that's what we doing. Cold is I don't know what out here. I know that. It ain't nothing else. It is cold. And I don't know what. But you know how it is with these cars, boy. When something wrong, just gotta see what's going on. At least with me, I can't sit still, man. It can be cold out here. I know it's a problem. My mind wondering like, hey man, what? Maybe it did, maybe it did. I can't rest until I go see what it is. So we got that loose. I'm gonna get the 13, take this out, we'll get the battery out. Might be able to get it past here. Cold cranking ounce on this thing. 690. Got a better battery. Slightly better. Gotta get the AC. The AC hooked up too. Get this back hooked up. Alright, so we got that in there semi. I tell y'all what, that cable setup getting changed right now. I don't like that. Them cables need to be changed, man. The ends on the terrible, they need to be changed. They won't get tight. They will not get tight. They wore out. They just need to be changed. I might not even have a good connection. You finna see. Probably ain't got a good connection. Okay, well, terrible. Might be part of the problem too. Ain't got no good connection. And play a part. Might be part of the problem. Take the cover off. Get that cover off. Alright, y'all see it. Finna take it for a little drive right quick. Oh, wrong key. Took the air cleaner off. Like I said, it's tuned. It's tuned to run without the air cleaner. That's what he tuned. That's what he tuned it for. I just put it on there when I have it paused. So I'm finna drive down the street, man. I ain't got no GoPro and everything. I ain't feel like going in the house. It's too cold, man. I had to, boy, fumble with moving these cars, wifey car, cutting out car. You know, I ain't charged the battery and stuff. And I just seen they got a transmission leak. So transmission fluid leak probably come from the line. So I was like, man, that's a whole nother thing. So boy, I'm out here in the cold fumbling around, but I'm finna drive the car. I give y'all the report, man. Ain't got no GoPro in here, so I give y'all a report. All right, y'all, we checking back in, man. I'm back in the house. Cold, man. It was cold. Had to come back in the house, man. I said, I almost forgot to do an outro, but the camera died on me. I got the little lunch clip to give y'all a little action, man. Then y'all can hear that supercharger, boy. That thing screaming. Car crazy. The car is ridiculous. I'm telling you, it's like a whole new car. It really is. I'm serious. It's like a whole new car. The doctor did his thing, man. Hey, for real, boy. That bad boy is a whole new car. I'm telling you. I want to feel it on the radials, man. That's my first today. No lie. Today is the first time I really turned that car up. I really turned it up. I mean, all them other times in the video y'all saw, it never touched 5,000 RPM. No lie. Never touched 5,000 RPM. For one, I was doing it I mean, I do a lot of stuff on video to show people. You can show a person what you want to show them. Let a person think what they want to think. People say the car's slow, and people say the Camara's slow, and people say they done said everything. But you can let a person think what you want to think. You can fool a person. You can make it work to your advantage because you show what you want to show on video. But today, since I know the tune was on it, everything's safe, It wasn't no popping, no none of that, no going lean. It wasn't none of that stuff. The doctor fixed everything, man. The tune spot on, constant pull, man, like screaming. That thing screaming. So yeah, I don't think it's an 8. I don't think it's an 8 something car, man. He said it. He said it, but I gotta the number he said, man, I gotta put on the track. I gotta put on the track and see, man. But I don't think it's an 8 nothing, 8-second car in the 8. I know my mind has changed. But I can't wait to put on the slick. We got a charging issue. I don't know why the battery ain't charging and all of that. I'm gonna get somebody to check that out. Y'all know I don't like fooling with wire. And it's too cold, man. I ain't got time, man, to be fooling no cold. I know I can just trace the wires and stuff. Cause it probably a wire messed up or something. Cause I changed the battery, changed the alternator, all of that. But I'm gonna hit Jesse up, man. Try to get over there to Lawless and see if he can diagnose it or something right quick. Cause I'm gonna try to. My plan is to try to take this thing to the track this week. So I gotta get this checked out. I want to get this changed. I mean, worst case scenario, I won't have to. I mean, I could just put it on my trailer, which I don't want to do that. I want to drive it and then change my tires. But I can put it on the trailer if all else fail and the battery a whole nother charge and all that. So yeah, that's that. Now this is video number 5. I keep talking about these people. I'm gonna keep talking about y'all. I'm applying the pressure on y'all. Listen, man, Jojo, guy named Jojo in the comments. My guy, comments do not bother me. Let me tell y'all this. I ain't explaining to everybody else. Y'all watch the videos every day. You know why I do what I do. Matter of fact, let me see, man. Let me help y'all. Let me help y'all understand. I normally don't do this. I do it on Facebook when I'm doing my trainings and showing people what's going on. But let me show my guy Jojo. Cause I don't guess you understand. I'm doing this for you. I'm seriously doing this for you. I'm not mad at you or none of that. It just, you repetitive. Look, when somebody, let me tell y'all this too about YouTube. When you comment once, a person can see every comment you ever left on their channels. It's very simple. I can see every single comment a person has ever left. So that's why I apply the pressure to some people. Cause every time when I click on them and I go through their comment history, they always comment BS. They don't never say nothing good. Like, it's always BS. Or if it's a problem, they got something to say. Never, not one comment, not one, hey, good job, or none of that. It's always, you should have did this or this and that or stuff like this. I mean, I ain't calling his comment BS. These just what he thinks. What he thinks. He thinks comments bother me because I do video like this. I talk about it. I'm applying pressure to these people. That's how you do on the internet. They try to apply pressure to you, you apply pressure to them. Jojo, listen, let me tell you something. If the comments bother me, I would just disable them. Like, that's the simplest thing to do. People on social media, when comments bother them, they just disable their comments. It's optional. I mean, you don't have to read what nobody say. Like, you can disable it. You can disable likes. They can't hit the like button. If that stuff bother me, I'll just disable it. But I don't care. I mean, they helping me. I'm finna show y'all though. I'm finna show y'all, cause y'all my people over here on the Life of J Malcolm channel. Now let me see. Let me find it. I'm trying to find where I first turned up. Okay. All right. Here go one video. This one video I turned up. Now look. Y'all see that? See that video right there? I turned up. I did it for a reason, right? That's the retention. That's a lot of watch time. That's a lot of watch time, right? Okay. This one right here, I turned up. These two. Look at the watch time, right? Look at it. Now, this one right here, it's decent, but still, look at that. Why they stick out so much? Why those videos got the most comments? Some people like JoJo, and then the rest of them is positive people like y'all be watching, man, just uplifting me or whatever, and I appreciate it. And a lot of y'all know about SDC. I understand everybody don't watch every video. Cool, so you miss some stuff. You don't know what's going on. You be out the loop, which leads to me having to explain again, which I'm not explaining SDC again. I'm not. If you saw it, you saw it. If you understand what it is and know what it means and how it worked, then you know, in correlation to social media. But like, all that man got out that video. He dropped this his second time commenting this. And I dropped the video. I'm trying to put y'all on game how you turn your cars into assets. And that's all you got out of it. Is you think comments bother me? That's all you got out of all that good information. You watching the wrong person, brother. Like I said in the comment, you watching the wrong person. If all y'all can get out my videos is that comments bother me, or I talk too much. What else they say? This stuff don't bother. I've been doing this stuff 12 years, man. That right there is why I do it. That's why I do it. It works like a charm. It works like a charm. I don't mind sharing with people, because if somebody else in the social media space, I want you to do it too. Use them to your advantage. They try to apply pressure on you, you apply pressure back. But then you got people like him, don't want me to apply pressure. They want you to just get the pressure applied to you. It don't work like that, though. That ain't how social media work, y'all. Don't lay down for nobody. Use them to your advantage. Now, if they really getting under your skin, make you mad, then you probably shouldn't comment, for real. You probably should just cut your comments off. If it really bother you, like after you cut the computer off and you can't stop thinking about it, or you know it's on your mind, then you probably need to disable your comments and disable your, if likes and dislikes bother you, you probably need to disable them. They're real life, cause some people kill themselves behind social media. This stuff really bothers them. Some people go about their life, it really bothers them emotionally. You know, which we all people, but I just got tough skin. I don't give a damn. I mean, I got tough skin. I'm like, I'm gonna turn them into some coins. That's all I'm gonna do. Turn them into some Sonic coins. So it don't bother me, cause my operation still rolls. Like, it helps my video, and it's proof. I've seen my analytics. I study them every night. It helps my videos. So, like right now, I'm talking about it. Guess what? They gonna come, do whatever. You're gonna have people like him say whatever. I mean, it ain't a bad comment. It's just his thought, but his thought is just wrong. But I'm just saying, you're gonna have people like that gonna comment and this and that and all that, and it all helped the video. It all helped the video in the end. So I just want to show y'all that. But anyway, the Cutlass ready, man. I'm gonna get this charging issue straightened out. We look at the sun out now, but it's cold. I'm gonna try to get to the track this week, for real. I'm gonna try to get to the track. So that's the plan, man. But it's a whole new car, man. The doctor, the truth. So yeah, that's it, y'all. I catch y'all later. I appreciate y'all. I'm out.